Hey guys, I'm your Frankenstein. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful wooden knife using old pine wood. Let's jump into the video. And I downloaded a random template from the internet. And I made sure that I cut the outline of the template perfectly. After gluing the template on the wood, I will just mark the places where the cut should be made. And I used the saw to cut the wood, but it didn't work well, so I took my jigsaw, obviously. Make sure you just don't clamp it tight because sometimes it may leave some mark in the wood. Now I am cutting the extra wood which is outside the template. Be careful by using power tools. Repeating the same process for the other side. Make sure that you don't come beyond the template mark. Vertical cuts are made and now we are going to cut it horizontally. Finally, I completed the rough cut. Next up, I am going to grind it. For the grinding, I am using the flap wheel. Make sure you use mask while grinding because the small particles might go into your nose. I managed to cut the excess wood. Few places have been missed out while grinding, So what I'm doing now, I'm using a flat file to file those areas. Since I need the knife part to be thinner than the handle part, so I equally mark the thickness to be removed on both the side and grinding it. Now you can see the difference in thickness in both sides. With the help of the center line, I'm going to make a sharp edge. I'm using the angle grinder to sharpen the edges. I'm not satisfied with angle grinder because it is very difficult to maintain the uniformity in both sides. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use the blade to carve the sharp edge. Be careful while using sharp tools. Since it is pine wood, it is very easy to carve and cut. The carving is good and both sides are even now. Now I'm sanding the handle part. Since these are reclaimed wood, there will be holes in the wood. Now I'm using different files to get a good finish. Now I'm using a 60 grit sandpaper to give a smooth finish to the knife edge. Use a small cotton and apply linseed oil all around the wood. Make sure you apply linseed oil all over the wood. Let the oil dry for 5 hours. I am using a rope and insulation to make a grip. Roll the rope around the handle. Make sure there are no gaps in between and put insulation tape around the rope. Wow, the grip looks so badass. Finally, I made a beautiful wooden knife.